How to edit vlog-style videos in Reelshot. Editing engaging, authentic vlog-style videos in Reelshot is fun and easy. This guide will show you how to combine quick cuts, dynamic text, and lively music to create captivating personal stories. Import all of your raw vlog footage, including talking head segments and B-roll. The key to vlogs is fast pacing. Trim and split your clips aggressively. To remove pauses, the ums, and unnecessary movements, keeping only the most engaging parts. Incorporate dynamic text overlays to highlight key points. Add commentary or introduce new segments. Use expressive fonts and colors. For transitions, opt for quick jump cuts or very subtle cross dissolves to maintain energy. Add upbeat, royalty-free background music to set the mood, ensuring its volume is lower than your voiceover. Pay attention to your voice audio. Use noise reduction if needed and ensure consistent volume across clips. With these techniques, your vlog will feel personal and professional. You've successfully learned how to edit vlog-style videos in Reelshot. Share your story through impact. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot vlogging tips.